The ZEVA Zero is looking to transform the transportation landscape. ZEVA, or Zero Emissions Electric Vertical Aircraft, envisions the Zero as a personal flying machine that can transition from hover mode to forward flight mode. According to ZEVA, the Zero is a new class of aircraft that blends the best features of a multicopter with a streamlined body for improved range and efficiency. Zero is designed to be a solution for urban air mobility and will be capable of moving small groups of people or cargo across metropolitan areas faster than ground vehicles. The Zero has a number of potential use cases including personal air travel, search and rescue, and law enforcement. Zero is still in early development but currently provides a range of 50 miles and cruise speeds of up to 160 miles per hour. The JetRacer from Zapata is their latest jaw-dropping innovation. The JetRacer is a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, powered by 10 microturbojet engines. It is envisioned to be able to climb to nearly 10,000 feet and boast speeds north of 150 miles per hour. The JetRacer can access steep terrains, fly in strong or turbulent winds, transport materials, and even have autonomous flight capabilities. Aside from its recreational applications, the JetRacer can be utilized for military purposes as well, which can include rapid mobility in special operations, surveillance flights, or quick access to difficult-to-reach areas. The JetRacer was built with safety in mind. It has multi-level redundancy built into its mechanisms, meaning that there is room for failure without the risk of injury to its rider. For instance, the JetRacer would be able to continue to fly, with the loss of up to 2 engines. The BlackFly from Opener is looking to usher in a new era of electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. It has a number of built-in technologies that make it easy to operate as well as safe to use. Operation includes features such as soft landing assist, geofencing capabilities, a return-to-home button, real-time alerts and notifications, and an intuitive joystick. Safety features include redundant motors, an isolated, distributed battery system, and 3 fail-safe flight systems. In case of an emergency, the BlackFly is equipped with a backup ballistic parachute system. It has been extensively tested with over 4,000 flights flown with a payload, and over 109,000 propulsion system endurance flights. The BlackFly will soon have a small allotment of 25 units available for sale, with more to be expected to be made available for sale in the near future. The HEXA is one of the more unique-looking personal flying vehicles on our list. The HEXA has distributed electric propulsion with 18 independent electric motors and propellers that provide a perfectly stable controlled flight. It is also unique in that it is amphibious. It is capable of landing on both land and water and has 4 perimeter floats for buoyancy and stability. It also has a 5th center float filled with energy-absorbing foam for added buoyancy and hard landing protection. The HEXA has an airframe that is built entirely out of carbon fiber and weighs only 432 pounds. Because it is compliant with the FAA's powered ultralight classification, it requires no pilot's license to fly. It also has redundancies built in. It can fly and land safely with up to 6 motors disabled and also features an autonomous ballistic parachute in rare occasions of extreme emergency. The PAL-V is one of the most versatile vehicles ever designed. Billing itself as the world's first flying car, the PAL-V is inspired by nature and is a marriage between safety and fun. It seats up to 2 people, weighs just under 1,500 pounds and has a maximum takeoff weight of just over a ton. On the road, the PAL-V can go from 0 to 60 in approximately 9 seconds and top out at a maximum speed of almost 100 miles per hour. In the air, PAL-V is powered by a 200 horsepower engine, can climb to a maximum altitude of almost 11,500 feet and reach a maximum speed of almost 112 miles per hour. The PAL-V is Dutch engineered and has a unique sports car feel on twisting roads. In the air, it is surprisingly comfortable. The PAL-V's design allows riders to experience up to 80% less turbulence and it self-stabilizes in gusting winds. The X1 and X2 come to us from the largest flying car company in Asia. Labeled as a flying car, unlike the PAL-V, the X1 and X2 are built for the skies exclusively. The X2 weighs just under 800 pounds and has a maximum takeoff weight of just over 1,200. It can fly at maximum speeds of up to 80 miles per hour for up to 35 minutes and has a range of just under 50 miles. Safe cruising altitude is around 1,300 feet, although it can climb to 3,300 feet. The X2 has multiple sensors that can monitor the ground, self-return to land, and even has autonomous flight path planning capabilities. It also has the ability to communicate two-way, in real time, within a range of 60 miles. It is designed with a number of safety features as well that include 8 independent battery groups for redundant power supply, and 8 propellers with multi-motor power backup. The AM 4.0 comes to us from AeroMobil. Inspired by the mythical winged horse Pegasus, it is a high-end vehicle that lives equally in comfort on the road or in the sky. It is engineered with advanced materials and has a leading-edge automotive and aerospace design. It has luxury features, impeccable styling, and is able to do what no private jet or supercar can do. The AeroMobil transitions seamlessly from a car to an aircraft in under 3 minutes. On the ground, the AeroMobil is 20 foot long by 7 foot wide and when in flying mode, has a wingspan of 30 feet. It has a driving range of approximately 600 miles and flight range of nearly 460 miles. It can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in approximately 10 seconds and reach a top speed of 100 miles per hour on the road. Cruising speed while flying is around 160 miles per hour and it can climb at a rate of 1,200 feet per minute. The DCL Big Drone has set the ambitious goal of being the first manned drone with aerobatic capabilities. It can be likened to a Formula One racing car that takes to the skies. It has the ability to do flips and turns unlike any other personal flying vehicle on the market. The Big Drone is incredibly lightweight, weighing in at only 216 pounds. Fully loaded, the Big Drone can take off with a maximum weight of 364 pounds. It has 12 motors and propellers that produce 661 pounds of thrust, allowing it to reach a maximum speed of up to 87 miles per hour. The Big Drone can perform 180-degree rolls and make full 180-degree loops. Like most other personal flying vehicles, it has built-in safety features such as distributed electric propulsion that provide safety through redundancy. Heaviside from the company Kitty Hawk may look like an ordinary plane with a few extra propellers, but Heaviside can do things that no ordinary plane can do. It is a single-seat electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. While it can fly like a plane, it can also lift off and land vertically, needing only a landing pad, like that of a helicopter. Heaviside has a number of unique features. It is 100 times quieter than a helicopter, yet faster, and weighs about 1/3 of a Cessna airplane. It features 6 propellers on its 20-foot wide main wings, and 2 propellers on its short front ones. It can travel approximately 55 miles in 15 minutes, and has a range of 100 miles and cruising speed of 220 miles per hour. Heaviside can be piloted either manually or autonomously. Jetson ONE is from a Swedish company looking to change how we travel and have fun. The Jetson ONE is constructed from aluminum and carbon fiber, and powered by 8 powerful electric motors. It weighs 190 pounds and has a flight time of 20 minutes. Because this fully electric vehicle is manufactured as an experimental ultralight and falls below FAA requirements, those looking to take the Jetson ONE to the skies do not need a pilot's license. This creative flying vehicle can reach a top speed of 63 miles per hour and is equipped with a LiDAR sensor system that tracks terrain and obstacles, allowing it to stay clear of power lines, trees, buildings, and more. Jetson ONE has an auto-landing system and a backup rapid deploying ballistic parachute in the event of an extreme emergency. Batteries can be charged in about an hour with a 240-volt outlet, and in about 2 hours with a household 110 outlet. Thanks for tuning into another episode of Future Tech Now. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks again, and we'll catch you in the next video.